Y'all pray for my husband. He has a head injury.
Bitch, that's because you bust me in the head with a hammer.
That's beside the point. You want these prayers or not?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. My name is Shakila. I am a fashion designer and I make YouTube videos all about beauty, makeup, hair, and little DIY tutorials for small fashion pieces. Today, well, first and foremost, let me apologize for the way I look. Okay, I look a mess, but I needed to push this video out. It's been taking too long. I was supposed to do it a while ago, and I'm not at home, so forgive me if you hear anything in the background. It's probably my siblings or the washing machine. I'm gonna try and run through this really quickly and make it as simple as possible because it's honestly a very easy tutorial, and I included a free pattern. First time. It's my first time putting a pattern online, and so I did not do multiple sizes. I think it's more so like this specific piece will fit anywhere between an extra small to a medium. Like if you wear that size in tops, you should be good. It's a PDF document, you just print it out. I'll link it down in the description box. If you have any difficulties with printing it out, just let me know and I'll upload each individual pattern piece by itself, and that should make it much easier for you guys. Another thing about the pattern, all of the seam allowances are already included, as well as all of your boning channels are mapped out for you. And if you choose to go with a strapless, a top with straps on it, I do have placements for the straps as well. Feel free to hit that like button and subscribe and notify and hit the notification bell so that you never miss when I post. You should like this video because it helps my YouTube algorithm and it shows me the things that you guys like to see the most, and that helps me create more content for you. So win-win. It's a way to support me for free. This one is my favorite, and this is the one that you saw in the little clip in the beginning. It has eyelets in it, and this is what the inside looks like. It's really nice and clean. Everything is sewn with 1/2-inch seam allowance, and it's fully boned. And I added straps in this nice little decorative braid that I have hand sewn onto the piece. And that's like super cute, right? This was my first draft. This is also fully boned and fully lined. Instead of using like a bias tape, I used the same fabric to bind the ends of the other corset, but this one I used ribbon. What the back looks like is the same as the other, it just doesn't have the eyelets. So I hope you guys stick around for the full tutorial. It's gonna be pretty short. It's very straightforward and simple.
Young blessed, boy, you sauce.
How you get to run around single, but I'm still supposed to act like your girlfriend? And why I gotta sit through the whole face? You ain't ready to be a real boyfriend. Now how you get your text other bitches when I text other niggas? I'm a hoe. Saying that it's only us talking, but you got me looking stupid on the low. Fall asleep on the phone with other bitches. Instagram leaving heart is on the out of whole pictures. So when I fall back, he pick up a call back, talking about, babe, why you acting so different? Why you stop texting me? Why you don't fuck with me? Why you believe nothing I say? Cause you ain't legit and you full of shit, and I am not trying to get played.
We ain't going back and forth with these niggas. Maybe if you act right, you'll get some act right. I here with this bitch, that bitch, and that bitch. But saying that you love me, little homie, that's a fact. Like, don't simmer down. I ain't trying to hear that nonsense. Try me like a worker, I'm a boss, like to run shit. How you gonna play the coach? That's like washing soap. Nigga really try me like a blood bitch, really like a green hoe. You was on my team though, looking for my heart shit, missing like a Nemo. Kinda got a question for these niggas as a whole. How you gonna compare young boss to a zero? We know you never been with a winner or had to commit to a person so solid. Moral of the story, if you wanna kick it with me, everything 100, everything 50-50. I
Been counting up hundreds, these hoes can relate. Since I gave you that nigga and you still watch my page, I don't buy a nigga shit, I don't give out donations. His body count higher than my expectations. Gucci perfume said he love my new fragrance. Diamonds on me, them hoes dance like Temptations. You went from a bad bitch to shit to just basic. The money, the bag, only thing that I'm chasing. I know the nigga mad, he been hating all summer. Bragging to his boys, he been lying all summer. Say that he bad, me this, that, and the other. But reality, you ain't have shit with my number. Well, first of all, you're one of them. I'm never cuffing them, I just be ducking them. Then later on, why you do it, I'm dumping them. Tell me just a bad girl, nigga, that's a good deal. Red bottom shoes, 6 inches, them good heels. How you both broke, you claim that your man still, but the whole damn relationship smell like Goodwill. Look, I ain't begging no nigga to act right from me. Say that he want me, but we finna see. I do not care, there's more fish in the sea. You gon' regret putting little bitty hoes before me.
Gon' regret putting little bitty hoes for I say he don't eat the booty, tell that nigga bye-bye. You me calling like I want, gotta treat you like a hoe. Probably could've been better, but a nigga too fly to be chasing this shit. You making assumptions, I'm making a hit. Got me a newbie, he cool, he be chillin', but soon as he trip, I'm replacing the bitch. I'ma take me a trip to the island. Come question me, baby, I like to be private. Talking about he finna send me some roses, I don't like that shit, baby. Send it the eyes that I want, all that shit you can fit in your pockets. You cannot carry no feelings. I probably gon' marry a Bentley. The greatest, most deaf in the building. They got a feeling. Ooh.
How you get to run around single, but I'm still supposed to act like your girlfriend? And why I gotta sit through the whole face, you ain't ready to be a real boyfriend? And how you get your text other bitches when I text other niggas, I'm a hoe? Saying that it's only us talking, but you got me looking stupid on the low. Fall asleep on the phone with other bitches. Instagram leaving heart is on the out of whole pictures. So when I fall back, he pick up a call back, talking about, babe, why you acting so different? Why you stop texting me? Why you don't fuck with me? Why you believe nothing I say? Cause you ain't legit and you full of shit, and I am not trying to get played. And I am not trying to get played.
Boy, you saucy.
How you get to run around single, but I'm still supposed to act like your girlfriend? And why I gotta sit through the whole face, you ain't ready to be a real boyfriend? And how you get your text other bitches when I text other niggas, I'm a hoe? Saying that it's only us talking, but you got me looking stupid on the low. Fall asleep on the phone with other bitches. Instagram leaving heart is on the out of whole pictures. So when I fall back, he pick up a call back, talking about, babe, why you acting so different? Why you stop texting me? Why you don't fuck with me? Why you believe nothing I say? Cause you ain't legit.
Well, that is it for the tutorial. I really hope you guys loved it. If so, make sure you leave me a comment down below letting me know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to follow me on all the social media platforms at Shaquila Dominique. It's the same on all of them. Thank you guys for watching. You have a blessed day.